Are you tired of trying to make money online with no success? Are you ready to unlock the secret to earning a passive income of $3,000 to $4,000 per month? Look no further. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to start your very own affiliate marketing business and start earning passive income without any investment. Imagine waking up to hundreds of dollars in commissions every day, all while working from the comfort of your own home. Don't miss out on this opportunity to change your financial future. Watch this full video and learn how to start your affiliate marketing business without investment and only doing 30 minutes of work a day. Please smash the subscribe button, like this video, and hit the bell icon button for more money-making videos on time. If you do not know about affiliate marketing, in short, affiliate marketing is when a company pays another company or person, the affiliate, a commission for promoting their products or services. The platform I am going to use today to promote affiliate products is TikTok. I want to talk to you about why TikTok is a great platform to start your affiliate marketing journey. This answer is TikTok is a popular social media app with 2 billion downloads and 800 million active users, best for affiliate marketers to promote their affiliate products, with a large audience of young people in the United States. Users are engaged and spend a lot of time on the app. It is perfect for targeting a specific audience and making money through affiliate marketing. Check out this first example. This page has 3 million followers and creates woodcutting style videos and gain millions of views on every single video. One thing is clear from this, that there is no shortage of traffic on TikTok. He has also given a link to landing page in bio and promote ClickBank, Amazon, DG Store 24 and other affiliate network products and earn easily $2,000 per day through affiliate marketing. Check out this next example. This page has uploaded only 9 videos and you can check its followers are more than 3 million and it is earning money by sending traffic to its website and promoting affiliate products. The final example, this is my TikTok page which I worked on for 5 to 6 days. Due to lack of time I could not focus on it, but still many of my videos have reached 700 to 1,000 views and I also got 19 Amazon affiliate sales. I have told in my previous video how to create an Amazon affiliate account and create videos like these. You can watch that video. The link is given in the description of the video. These some of the top niches for affiliate marketing on TikTok that help you to grow faster and earn more money. These are fitness and sports category, home decor, beauty, fashion, and pets. But remember that there are many other niches that you can explore. Remember to always disclose your affiliate relationship in your videos and always focus on providing value to your audience. In this video, the example I will be using is fitness category. Now the first step is creating a TikTok account from your PC and smartphone is easy and straightforward. Here's how to do it. Open your web browser and go to the TikTok website, tiktok.com. Click on this sign in button located in the top right corner of the page. Then click on this sign up button to open the sign up page. Set the date of birth, enter your email address or phone number and enter a strong password containing letters, numbers, and symbols. If you selected email, you will receive a verification email. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Congratulations! You now have a TikTok account and can start creating and sharing videos. Now the second step is how to create a TikTok video just by copy and paste method. For this, simply go to Google and search topic idea in your niche. For example, if your TikTok account is travel related, you can search for 5 best places to visit in the world, in the US, in Canada, etc. And if you make videos related to online earning, you can search for 5 best ways to make money online, how to start dropshipping, etc. But I'm going with the fitness category in this video. So for example, I'll search like 5 best ways to lose stomach fat, then press the enter key. Collect information related to your video topic. For example, I want to create a video around these first 5 points. Information collected. Now go to Canva and create an engaging video. Now come here and search for TikTok and press enter. You can see how many pre-made templates are available. You can use them too, but I will use the simple blank template. Now we need some free videos for editing. For this you can download free stock videos from Pexels and Pixabay. The topic of our video is weight loss, so I will search for those related videos. You can get any videos you want from this Pexels and Pixabay. After searching, go to this videos section. Amazing, there are lots of videos available in landscape and portrait ratio both. We will create a video for TikTok, that's why we will only download portrait style videos. After downloading videos for editing, go to the Canva website again. Go to the upload section, click on this upload button to select downloaded videos from your device. I've already done this step. Now pick one of the videos you've uploaded and drop it on the timeline. Now go to the Elements section, pick that element and drag it here. Adjust the element size according to the length or size of the sentence. Now go to the text section and add a new heading to this video. Now go to the place where you are taking the content for the video. See, I am taking the content from Google. Now copy this video topic title and paste it on Canva and adjust this title according to you. Now again go to the upload section where the videos are, drag the next video to the timeline. All the steps are the same as I have explained to you, so I am skipping the video editing part, otherwise the video will be long. So guys, our video editing is complete, and remember to write good and catchy phrase in the last timeline so that the viewers will go to your landing page. It depends on you how you convince the viewer to buy your product. You can see how good we have made the video. I did not put background music on the video because we will find trending music from TikTok app and put it in this video, so that your video will go viral as soon as possible and you will get a lot of commission from affiliate links. Now the third step is how to create a link in bio landing page for TikTok affiliate marketing. I will recommend you to sign up onto this Linktree link in bio website that allows you to add multiple affiliate links on one page. I already teach you how to create an account on this website in my previous video link in the description. First of all, after creating an account on this website, go to the appearance section to customize this landing page to make it beautiful and eye-catching. Add your business logo. You can create a logo from canva.com. Now write a simple and engaging bio to convince the viewers to buy your products. You can also change the landing page theme after customizing the landing page. Now add multiple affiliates offers in your niche on this landing page. The question is how to get affiliate links. Simply go to the affiliate networks like Digistore24, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, etc. You can also find affiliate programs in your niche by searching on Google. Simply go to Google and enter your niche keyword, then add this search term plus affiliate programs. Now Google provides you a bunch of affiliate programs. But in this video, I'm using Warrior Plus to teach you how to get affiliate links. After creating an account on this website, go to the affiliate offer section and type your niche keyword here. For example, I want to promote fitness programs, then I search fitness, then press the enter key. Now after finding the affiliate offer, then click on this request button to request the vendor to approve you as an affiliate. Then it gives you a unique link called the affiliate link. If anyone purchases a product through an affiliate link, you will earn a commission. For example, I pick up any product, click on this button to get your affiliate link, copy this link from clipboard and go to your Linktree dashboard, click on this add a new link button to add an affiliate link on this landing page, paste this link here and click on this add button, then click on this edit button to change product title, write a catchy and amazing product title that convinces the viewer to buy your product. Now our landing page is completely ready, friends. Add at least 10 to 15 products on your landing page. This fills up the chances for viewers to buy your product. Click on this share button and click on this to view your landing page. Amazing, you see Linktree built such a beautiful and engaging landing page and free of cost. Now the second step is copy this landing page from Linktree and add in your TikTok profile bio. For this, we have to go to our mobile screen. Open your TikTok app and go to your profile section. To add a landing page link in bio, go to the menu section and go to the setting and privacy page. Go to the account settings and switch your account to a business account. It is very important if you want to grow on TikTok and earn money. Go back to your profile and click on this edit profile button to set page category and add a link. Enter basic details like name, username, and email address, etc. Now go to the category page, wait for a few seconds, and find your niche from this list. Our category is fitness, then we will select it and now click on this save button. Go back and go to bio section to add a landing page link. Copy your landing page link from Linktree and paste it here, then click on this save button. Again back to our profile and you can see our landing page has been added in the bio. When your 10,000 followers are complete, then you can make this link clickable, which will increase the chances that viewers buy your product and you earn more commission. The final step is how to upload in viral TikTok videos. Before uploading the video on TikTok, follow these 6 simple steps to get organic traffic to TikTok videos. Number 1, focus on a niche. Second, keep your videos short and amazing. Third, leverage popular hashtags to grow faster. Fourth tip, use trending audio to your advantage. Fifth, make the first few seconds count. The last and most important, make your captions relevant and engaging. Now how to find trending songs on TikTok to go viral easily. For this, go to home section and click on this search icon, type viral sounds, then click on this search icon, go to the sound section and make videos on the sound that most videos are made of so that your videos go viral as soon as possible. For example, I want to make a video on this sound because there are more than 8 million videos made on it. Go to the gallery and select your video, then click on this next button. Type engaging and interesting title. For example, I type lost 12 kilograms weight in 7 days, and add a call to action landing page link to increase the chances of affiliate sales. Now add only 2 to 4 viral and trendy hashtags on your TikTok videos. For example, I add hashtag fitness, hashtag trending, hashtag for you, hashtag wealth, hashtag weight loss, then click on this post button. Finally, our video is published on TikTok, and now if anyone watches your video and clicks on your link to buy the product, you will get a commission of $20 to $300. With the same strategy when used, I was able to skyrocket my views from 800 to 1,000 and even make some sales. Unfortunately, due to lack of time, I could not work on it properly, but I am sure if you will work on it only for 2 months, then surely you can earn money with this strategy. I hope friends you love this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more money making tips and tricks. See you in the next one.